PEI Potatoes Part 1. PEI is a province in Canada. It is famous for many things. One of them is potatoes. One summer, my family decided to visit PEI. It is about 1,000 kilometers east of our home in Ottawa, Canada. After driving many hours, we finally got there. Standing at the potato field, we were all very excited. It was my first time at a potato farm. It was so interesting to see where potatoes grow. Are we there yet? Hoping you enjoyed PEI Potatoes Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2 of this short story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Arcel Academy, and remember to hit the bell icon.